Are you in need of a cost-effective, efficient, permanent repair without using a torch? Let's dive into our two-part, three-step instant repair kit. This innovative product works on all metals and rigid plastics, and once cured, it holds up to 1800 psi. In order to prepare the area, ensure the system is recovered, and clean the repair area of any oils. Use the provided sandpaper to rough up the area around the repair site. Apply Part A, the bonding fluid, onto the repair area. Add Part B, the bonding cells, immediately after applying Part A. Apply Part A on top of the bonding cells to begin the curing process. HVAC Instant Repair will hold up to 700 psi in just 20 seconds. Full cure takes 20 minutes and it can hold up to 1800 psi. Safe and reliable, this product does not enter the system and won't contaminate or void any warranties. The Instant Repair Kit includes a precision applicator tool and brushes for vertical and underside cases. It's as easy as A, B, A. Highside Chemical saves you time and makes you money.